Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shawn Pourgol. I'm president of National University of Medical Sciences in this beautiful Spain, and today I want to speak with you why so many osteopaths who graduated from other schools study osteopathy again at our Doctor of Osteopathy program. I want to give you a few simple reasons for you to understand why our degree is so popular with other manual osteopaths. There is nothing wrong with the education offered by other schools, but the other schools lack a few things that we fulfilled this, and as a result, our school has become popular with osteopaths from other schools. The number one reason why other osteopaths study osteopathy at our school is my business lectures. I give over 200 business management lectures to my students to make sure they are well ready for the profession outside so they can run their clinics effectively. These lectures are the result why my students on average make $150,000 per year, which is $60,000 more than other manual osteopaths. I strongly believe that by creating wealthy, financially successful manual osteopaths, I get to expand the profession worldwide. It is my goal in life to ensure every town with a population of 100,000 people has at least one manual osteopath there, because we do miracles on a daily basis. We treat chronic pain, we see last resort cases, and I want people of the world everywhere that they are to have access to this beautiful, wonderful, miraculous healthcare. Number two, why our program, the DO program, Doctor of Osteopathy, is so popular is because we are a clinically oriented, applied, practical university. We cut so many of subjects that are theoretical in aspect, they are not useful in practice, and we teach things that the students can use from day one into their practice to help patients get better faster. This has made our program very, very successful, and our students love it because they learn so many practical, useful knowledge that they can apply to their practice immediately. Number three is that we teach Canadian style of osteopathy. Canadian style is something that I created. I modified the European style of osteopathy, and I made it better, more effective, and safer for the patient as well as the practitioners. For example, a lot of techniques in European style, they ask the manual osteopath to bend doing the technique, which puts too much stress on the manual osteopath's low back and can create problems and low back pain in the future. My students know that they should not bend their back, for example. They should move their knees, use their knees to adjust their height. The next reason why the DO program is so popular is because it offers the title of Doctor, DR, to our students. This title enables our students to get better jobs as well as get more patient referrals. If a patient has a choice between choosing a manual osteopath who has doctoral level education and one that has a diploma level, usually they choose the one with a doctor level education. The same with getting a job, employment. When our students apply somewhere with a doctoral degree, they have an easier way to get the job. So the title of doctor is very important for our students. Next is my clinic, Osteopathic Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada. I founded this clinic in 2017 with one clinic in Toronto. We now have 346 clinics in 33 countries, and we only hire those manual osteopaths who are my students at one of my schools. And many of them many manual osteopaths who want to join us because we get a lot of patient referrals. We are the largest provider of manual osteopathic care in the world. They have no choice but to study with us if they want to be part of Osteopathic Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada. The next reason is that by joining our university and studying with us, they can become a member of the Canadian Union of Osteopathic Manual Practitioners. This is a union that I am a president of, and through this union, we get more patients from unions. We are actually the preferred provider of manual osteopathic care to union workers in Canada. We are working in other countries but as well, but now mainly we focus on Canada. So our students get a lot of union workers, union employees as their patient. The last reason is my support that I wanted to speak with you about. In most schools, the support they provide finishes with their graduation. Our support is for life. I continue to support my students. I answer any questions they have. I support them in any way that is possible, and my support does not finish with their graduation. I always teach to my students to provide more value than they get paid for, and we apply that in our education as well. We provide education that is unique, that is practical, that can be used in the practice right away. We teach a lot of business management lectures. 2 weeks ago, I added 50 new business management lectures to my lectures, and these are the reasons that our graduates become successful and do well in practice. And one more thing that I forgot to mention is chronic pain. We focus heavily on chronic pain in our education. Our students become chronic pain specialists, while many other schools focus on acute pain. Acute pain is very easy to take care of. A bottle of Advil or many other professions help it as well. But chronic pain is very hard to get rid of. That's why we focus so much on it. That's why our graduates become fully booked so fast, because of our focus on chronic pain. We focus a lot in our education on chronic pain, and as a result, many manual osteopaths from other schools join us to learn from our education and become chronic pain specialists. We actually we offer them many free seminars after they graduate, especially dealing with chronic pain, so they are always up to date with chronic pain management. This is very important for us because through chronic pain, they can help a lot of people. These are some of the main reasons. There are many other reasons why they join, but I find a way to elevate the profession, to improve the education. As I said, most schools of osteopathy offer great services. I have now students from almost all other osteopathic schools around the world who are my students, and they provide very good education, but they lack in business management. They lack in chronic pain, and chronic pain is very important. Now it's after pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, and our students actually have busier practices after the COVID because of their focus on chronic pain. Many people who could not, who are not active as before and had chronic pain, now their chronic pain has worsened, so they are seeking manual osteopathic services a lot more than before, since the clinics were permitted to open by the government. My students now seeing a lot more patients. Give you an example, Dr. Ali Hariri, one of my students in Canada. He practices north of Newmarket in Ontario. I spoke with him a few months ago. He has 16 health professionals working for him. He's one of my rare students who has a $1 million clinic. In another video, I will speak about some of my students who have $1 million clinic. But he told me that he hired three of my students so he can supply manual osteopathic care to all the patients who seek osteopathic care. And this happened after COVID because of all the demands from chronic pain management. We provide amazing education to people, and I always constantly think about how to improve our education, how to make it unique and innovative, because it's through education that I can graduate better manual osteopaths. They are our ambassadors, and it's through them that I can expand the profession worldwide. If they become successful in practice, if they become wealthy, then others get attracted to the profession, and this is a way that we provide, we expand the profession worldwide. The Doctor of Osteopathy we offer is the most detailed, the best degree program in osteopathy available in the world. There is no other degree more detailed than that, more practical than that. It offers tons of tips that clinicians can use. We have so many medical doctors, even osteopathic physicians in the US who have taken this DO program so they can offer better services to their clients. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I'm grateful to God for allowing me again to come to Spain one more time to work and to help expand the profession. Hasta luego. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Namaste.